Alright, we are up for this next reveal. This is the Jewelry and Candles Ocean Breeze. Smells amazing. I love this. I knew I would though. From the first time I saw it, they were sold out. And I really loved it. I really, really wanted it. So as soon as it came back in, I got it. But I got it for that $1 million giveaway day. Again, so there's another piece of jewelry here. This time I had gotten earrings, which you get to pick. So if you're like, oh my gosh, she gets a ton of rings, that's just because I like rings. Right. I love these. Look how pretty. Aren't those cute? I love those. Just love them. Can't wait to wear them. Right, let's put these back. If you can see in the background there, you got the honeysuckle hardening back up, which is nice. You can do that. Alrighty, here we go. Put these out. These will be earrings too, by the way, in case you didn't realize that. And each color foil, excuse me, don't know where my voice went. Each color foil means something else. Like, obviously these are for earrings. The black foil from the rings are size 8 rings. So, each one will come with the color foil that of whatever piece of jewelry that you had chosen. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. Perfect for the Irish in me. Sorry. I'm a little loopy today. My kids woke up at like 1 o'clock in the morning. And they're finally back to sleep. But I'm up for the day. I don't know why my girls can't sleep on a normal schedule. But whatever. Okay. Oh, those are pretty. Ow, those are hot. Very, very, very pretty. There. I mean, they need clean still. They've got some residue on the gem, but oh. Very nice. Alright, that was the reveal today for second tart I got. So, there you go. Bye.